Here, listen to this. It says here that the laziest people in the workforce are builders. Now, that's not right, is it? We work hard. We do. It's not easy being a builder. Not everyone can do it, you know?
We know, Frank, being a builder is a work of art. If you don't build properly, the building falls down. You say the same thing at least once every day.
Anyway, we're not building today. We're chopping down the hill.
What are we building?
Heard the boss say we were doing a car parking this morning. Now, are you paying or not?
Okay, keep your meat on. It's going to rain soon. We have to finish early if it's possible.
At what time, Amy? I will do it at early night.
It will be about 4 this afternoon.
How did you know that?
She hit her head on a weather vane. She can't predict the weather.
Alright, then Amy, I bet you one jacket that it doesn't rain.
You're on. I will take that bet.
Did we stay friends?
Why?
Because every time someone bets her it won't rain, it does.
I don't believe you.
Suit yourself. But don't say I didn't warn you. Right, playtime is over. You got 2 minutes to finish your lunch and get back to work.
Yes,
No chance of us being late.